look at that guy right there. Oh, not huge. There he is. What's up, guys? We're here on a beautiful morning checking out a brand new lake. Never been here before. It's more like pond size, but it's called lake. Anyways, we're gonna check it out, see what kind of bass are in here. I've seen people catch them out of here before, not personally, but online. So excited to see what happens. Gonna put on the waders. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of shore access, so we'll get into that right now. Let's do it. Guys, this might be the biggest bass I've ever caught right here. This might be a PB right here. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Solid 2 for sure. Solid 2, maybe 2.5. Ooh, look at that guy right there. Look at him. Oh my gosh. What a chunker. Holy crap. Dude, look at that fish. Oh my gosh. That thing is massive. That's gotta be at least 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. Dude, that's my personal best right there. I've never caught a bass that big. I'm so excited right now. 2.5. Look at that. Was I right or what? Man, I'm pretty good at guessing. 2.5 pounds. That is a beautiful bass. Oh my gosh. Look at that guy. Look at him. Look at that fish. Look at him. Look how big he is. Wow. That is an awesome, awesome fish right there. Holy cow. That is a great fish. 2.5-er. Solid 2.5-er. Guys, I'm so ecstatic. That was an awesome fish. Oh my goodness. I can't yet. Someday I will, but can you imagine catching like a 5-pounder? He's gonna fight twice as hard as that fish did. Don't think my pole is rated for that.
I was gonna feed the ducks over here. Is that gonna bother your fishing?
No, that's fine. It's okay. Thank you. Got him. Ooh, yeah. No! Oh gosh. I saw him swim and destroy that thing, man. What the heck? I saw him swim across and just nail it. Thought I set the hook, but he must not have really had it. I hate when they come off like that. Alright, let's try somewhere else. Oh, got one. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on. Oh my goodness, he is fighting. That's a good size one too. Looks like from here. Oh gosh. Guys, I may be going in. This is slippery right here. I may be going in. Don't slip and fall and die. Come here. Oh, not huge. It's a 1-pounder. Oh, he swallowed that thing, man. Choked it. Good healthy fish. Just like that. All right, there we go. Maybe not quite, maybe, yeah, it's a pound. That's a pound for sure. That makes 3 on the day. What a beautiful fish, huh? I'm just afraid of like a sharp drop off. He's ready to go. All right. That was fish number 3 on the wacky rig. All right, so we got number 3. We're gonna keep going here. These fish are a little bit larger than I'm kind of accustomed to. At all the other ponds and places I go, they're usually like a pound or less, and these seem to be at least a pound. All right, this is the last couple casts in this area, then we're gonna move back around to the other side of the lake where we still got shadow. So it's about 9 o'clock right now. Sun's coming out, it's getting warm. So I figured I'd head around back to the other side of the lake where it's still got some shadow going on. And that might be a little bit better for trying to catch these donkeys out here. This is what you got to do if you want to find new places. You got to get out, you got to explore, you got to try things, see what works, see what doesn't, and that's how you get on them fish. Oh, got one. Got one. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Get over here. Oh. Come on. Man, these guys fight, dude. Come on. Oh. He jumped clear out of the water, threw my worm, said, screw you. Let's get him wore out. Oh yeah. Are you done? Man, he's fighting a lot for just being like a 1 pounder. You know what I mean? That's only like a 1 pounder right there. Ah, there he is. All right. Been waiting a minute, dude. It's been a minute. There you go, buddy. Dude, that guy's chunky. Look at his stomach. Look at that thing. He is chunky. That is a beautiful fish though. These fish are very healthy. Big fighters too, for sure. He's a 1 pounder, 1.5, I'm gonna say, because he's a little heavy. Let's weigh him just for fun. All right. Yeah, just over 1 1/4. Just over 1 1/4. That's a beautiful fish, man. I'll tell you what, that's an awesome fish. This place is doing me well right now. All right. Let's see if we can get some release footage. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're making our way to the back side of the lake. We're at 4 on the day. Out of 6, 2 came off. And all these are 1 pound or greater. I like that. I'm used to like really small dinks. So it's nice catching these bigger ones. Got one. Oh yeah, come on. I was about to give up on that too and just switch worms. That's the littlest guy we've caught today. I was totally about to just start reeling in really fast, give up on him, you know. All right, there he is. All right, this guy is not a pound, not even, but he's a good looking fish, that's for sure. No problem with him. Just gonna do a couple more casts in this area, then we're gonna make our way back to the truck. Wow, that was terrible. Time to move on. Make our way back to the truck. Hit a couple spots on the way out. All in all, I would say this has been a successful day. Probably caught at least like 10 pounds of fish total, which is pretty good compared to down in Sacramento, what we've been getting. Alright guys, we had a lot of success. 5 fish out of 7, 2 came off. They range everything from 1 pound to 2.5 pound was the biggest one. And I was surprised because third cast in the morning I hooked that sucker. So I like that the fish in here are a little bit bigger than over in Sacramento where I've been fishing lately. Thanks for watching the video guys, super appreciate it. We had a good time out here, it was really fun. Hooked quite a few fish, and we'll definitely be back out here again in the future, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like it, and check out more content that's coming your way.